Hi friends, welcome back to another video of Success Resources Ventures. So let me share a story today. There was one child. Their parents were very, disappointed by looking at their child behavior. She used to get so much upset and angry, and every time she used to get angry, she used to break something at house and all. So they tried various way of, uh, trying to bring the change in, their daughter. But that person was like not listening to in any way. So they thought one day, we'll probably ask her teacher, who she listened most of the time to. So they complained to the teacher saying, like my daughter does not listen very well, and she's getting so much upset and angry and start breaking the things at house. So could you please do something so that she could at least listen to us and bring some change in herself. So the teacher said, okay, don't worry, we'll look, you give me a week time, I'll try and do something. So when the daughter visited the school next day, and the teachers told the daughter saying, okay, let's do one thing today, we will not study but we'll play a game. And the game is that every time you feel little irritated or angry, you need to go back to the classroom and then hit a nail into the wall. So you, as many times you get angry during the day, you just hit one nail into the wall. If you get angry again, you go back to the wall and then hit. So the day one happened, whenever she used to get angry, she used to just go. So first day she hit 10 nails into the wall. Then then the next day, basically, she realized, it takes too long to go to the wall, and rather I can probably control my anger a bit. So then next day was 8 nails, then next day was 6 nails, then 4 nails, 2 nails. And then the day came where, there was time where she could not get angry at all on the whole day. And she happily go back to the teacher and said, look, ma'am, today I was not uh, upset or angry at all. And I did not use any nails today. So she said, okay, now the next task is the day you go like that without getting angry, you take one nail out of the wall. So she said, okay, fine. And it took her basically 30 days or more than that to remove all the nails out of the wall. Then she said, okay, let's go back to the wall and then visit that. So they visited, yes, all the nails were out of the, wall. And then she asked the student, what can you see in the wall now? She said, nothing, I don't see anything now. So teacher said, no, see it carefully. So the child said, yeah, I can see some mark of impressions of those nails that I was hitting in these walls before. So then she said, do you see now? This is how, when we get angry and how other people feel, you hit um, something in them, or you basically leave that impression that you cannot, clean completely, no matter how much you do. So that is because it takes years and years to build a reputation, but it takes only a few moments to, spoil everything. So on that note, just remember, that you do not hurt people, because that can leave those impressions which you can never undo it. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, invest in your education. Bye for now.